Okay, we're going to have to do a little algebra here. Given that triangle QRS is congruent to triangle TUV, they want us to find the lengths, and we're dealing with QS, the first and last letter in that one, and TV, the first and last letters in that one. And since they're congruent, that means all corresponding parts are congruent, meaning we can set those two variable measurements, those variable expressions that describe each one's measure, equal to each other. Equals 7v minus 6. Now we're first going to solve for v, but once we do that, we'll need to plug it back in and just find out what the lengths themselves are. So subtract 3v from both sides. We get 2 equals 4v minus 6. Then we'll add 6 to both sides. Addition property of equality. And we get 8 equals 4v. And I want to divide with both sides by the coefficient of the variable. And we get 2 is equal to v. That is not our answer. That is just what the value of v is. And now we'll plug it in. I'm going to take this original equation, 3v plus 2 is equal to 7v minus 6. I want to plug it into both of them just to be sure that when we calculate out what each one should measure, they actually do measure the same thing for both. So 3 parentheses 2 plus 2 equals, parentheses 7 parentheses 2 minus 6. So we've got here 6 plus 2 equals 14 minus 6. 8 equals 8. And the side lengths of both are 8. So we're going to mark that as choice C. And we are done.